everyone!
Welcome to our grammar series, Bunpo Workshop.
In Bunpo Workshop, we will focus on one grammar point per session.
We'll provide example sentences to help you understand different usages and how to use them depending on the situation. If you enjoy our videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we release the new content.
Today's session is about the pattern 何々間に. Let's look at the formation first. It is very similar to 何々間.
Noun plus no plus 間に. Verb dictionary form plus 間に. Verb te form plus いる plus 間に. E adjective plus 間に. Na adjective plus na plus 間に.
You use 何々間に to say do A while B. A takes place during the period of B. The action that comes after 間に is usually a single completed event. For example, 夏休みの間に富士山に登りました。
During summer vacation, I climbed Mount Fuji.
Summer vacation is the long time window. Climbing Mount Fuji is a single event that happened at some point. Not every day, not the whole time. Just once inside that window. Next example. 私が寝ている間に誰かが電話をかけてきました。
While I was sleeping, someone called.
彼が料理をしている間に私は買い物に行った。
While he was cooking, I went shopping.
The cooking is the continuous background action. The shopping trip is a separate, shorter event that happened within that time.
Hey Naomi, 何々間 and 何々間に look so similar. How are they different?
Great question, Suna. 何々間 is used for the entire duration. The action happens across the whole time block. And 何々間に is used for a point within the duration. The action happens at some moment inside the time block. Let's see the same verb with both patterns. 友達を待っている間、本を読んでいた。
While waiting for my friend, I was reading a book.
You kept reading the book while you wait for the friend. Now using 何々間に in the sentence. 友達を待っている間に親戚のおじさんが来た。
While waiting for my friend, my uncle came over.
Your uncle came at the point while you were waiting for your friend. Another example. 日本にいる間、毎日日本語を勉強した。
While in Japan, I studied Japanese every day.
You studied repeatedly across your entire stay. Now let's use 日本にいる間に in the sentence. 日本にいる間に日本語を勉強し始めた。
While in Japan, I started studying Japanese.
The starting point happened once inside your stay. You didn't start every day. You started one time. So to recap, 何々間に is your go-to pattern for describing a single event or action that happens at some point within a larger time window.
We hope this session helps you use 何々間に naturally and correctly.
See you all in our next session of Bunpo Workshop.